Right guys, I love animals, and this is what I want to do for my free time. No! Get out of here! Go! Dude! You're ruining your video! I'm trying to feed the birds!
Have I kind of ruined this now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, when was the last...
Go away!
Right, if you look over there, there's a Lakeside Theatre. Now one thing it does is it offers alternative entertainment. It's not all about just having club nights, which I still want to do. There's students that, you know, deserve like culture shows, like band nights, jazz nights, things that doesn't just involve drinking. So that's what I'll do if you vote me in next year. I'll put more culture shows on, all that kind of stuff. So remember, Wednesday to Friday next week, come vote for Kunal Patel, vote for dedication.